Most people think great cocktails are all about the booze or the recipe, but the truth is, it's what's holding your drink and cooling your drink that makes all the difference. Let's talk ice and glassware, the unsung heroes behind every perfect pour. Ice isn't just there to make your drink cold, it controls dilution, texture, and taste. Different ice does different jobs. Big cubes, they melt slow, great for old fashions or sipping spirits. Crushed ice, perfect for tropical or blended cocktails, melts faster, keeps things refreshing. Standard cubes, the workhorse, good for highballs, mixers, and everyday use. Now let's talk glassware. Every drink has its match. And no, it's not just for looks. Rocks Glass, short and sturdy for spirit-forward drinks. Highball, tall and narrow to hold bubbles longer. Coupe, the classic for shaken or stirred cocktails. Martini, elegant and sharp for presentation. Collins, tall with room for ice and mixers. And always chill your glass before pouring. Nobody wants a warm martini. A good bartender knows their glasses like a DJ knows their beats. It's all about the right vibe. So remember, your ice and glassware set the stage before the first sip even happens. Cold glass, clean ice, right vessel. That's how you make your drinks not just taste amazing, but look like they were made by a pro. All right, if you've made it this far, take a second and give yourself some credit. You've just learned what separates someone who works behind a bar from someone who belongs behind a bar. We've covered the tools, the pours, the ice, the glassware, the garnishes, and the rhythm of the shake and stir. But bartending is about more than just recipes. It's about connection. The stories you'll hear, the laughs you'll share, the people you'll meet. That's what makes this job special. A great bartender isn't just fast or accurate. They make people feel welcome. They know when to talk, when to listen, and when to just slide the drink over with a nod that says, "I got you." Whether you're stepping behind the bar for the first time or you've been doing it for years, remember, every pour, every smile, every shift is a chance to make someone's day a little better. And that's what makes you a pro. So keep learning, keep practicing, keep taking pride in your craft, because this isn't just a job, it's a performance, it's hospitality, and it's an art. From me to you, welcome to the family of bartenders. You've got the knowledge, the confidence, and the style. Now go make some magic behind that bar. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Ryan Keys, and this has been Keys to Bartending. Now go pour something worth remembering.